Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I read all your comments and I am really happy to see that my previous videos help you and you learn something new from them. So today I am going to cover one more very important topic, custom responsive breakpoint in Elementor and how to enable them. As you can see on the website, by default Elementor gives us only 3 breakpoints, desktop, tablet and mobile. Now the problem is desktop and laptop screens are treated as the same in default settings. So whatever changes you make for desktop will also appear on large desktop screens and laptops, which is not always correct. So the same issues happens with tablets, tablet vertical and tablet horizontal layout. Sometimes need different design, but Elementor applies the same settings to both. Because of this, our design can break on different screen sizes. So to fix this issue, Elementor gives us the option to add custom responsive breakpoints like laptop view, wide desktop, tablet, horizontal and more. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to enable custom breakpoints and how they actually work. So you can treat perfect layout for each screen sizes. So now we are in a WordPress dashboard. From here we will go to the Elementor and then go to the editor, and from there submenu we will go to the settings. Inside settings, you will see multiple options. I will quickly check each of them to see if there is any breakpoint option available because it's new update for Elementor, so all the settings and things are changed here. So first I go to the advanced, but as you can see there is no option for breakpoint here. Then I go to the features and scroll down, and here you can see the option called custom breakpoints. But it is inactive by default. You can simply enable it, activate it and then save the changes. After that, go back to your website and reload the page. Now you might think the custom breakpoint should appear, but they are still not showing. You can check by selecting any section, going to advanced and then margin on padding. You will still see only 3 device options, desktop, tablet and mobile. So what did we miss? The important step is site setting, which we are missing. So again go to the Elementor from the top option and click on site setting from their submenu. Here's the site settings. From here, now click on layout. Here we are, this is the correct place. You can now see the breakpoint options from here. Just click on it and you can enable and add all the custom breakpoints you want, like laptop, widescreen, desktop, tablet, horizontal and more. I will enable all of them and save the changes. Now reload the page again, and as you can see, all custom breakpoints are now enabled and working properly. You might notice that the website looks a bit messy right now. You can ignore that. This happened because earlier these responsive options were not available, and now I will properly adjust the design for each screen size. If you want a separate full tutorial on how to make a website fully responsive in Elementor, let me know in the comment and I will create a proper dedicated video for that. So for this video, I hope you now understand how to enable custom responsive breakpoints in Elementor. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.